Okay, what I have is a Craftsman air compressor. This model number is 33 gallons. Long story short, I've only used it a few times. And look at this. This is the filter housing. Look at the crack right there. It's like, really? This piece here, look at this. It disintegrated. The cap is okay, but the filter is brand new. Long story short, what I did, I looked it up online. This right here is like $12 and they want like $10 shipping, $22 or so. So I figured, screw that, it's gonna break again. It's cheap, cheap, cheap. So what I did was this. I just got a half inch by 3-inch pipe, and I cleaned it well, and then I bought a reducer right here. 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch. I cleaned it really good with a toothbrush and detergent inside, let it dry, put it together using wrenches, of course, and then I ordered this filter on eBay, 35 millimeter diameter, and I ground down the high points here and a little bit right here. This does go in here. Let me just put this like there. Hold on one second. Yeah, see, that slips right on. That slips right on. I'm going to use a hose clamp and put it all together. I did test it, and I'm telling you, it's still a very noisy compressor, but the air, you can just feel the air. Also, this is used in the garage, so it's like it's not subject to a lot of dirt and debris. So this is going to work for under $10, where if you order this replacement, it's going to be over $22. So, hey, you know what? You do whatever you want to do. I am happy with this. All right, good luck to you.